What's going on? This is a install video on the LitLogo STI V2 badge. I will be going over how I installed it, how I mounted it, how I wired it up, and everything that came with it, so it'll make it easier on you or whoever is installing. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to remove the front bumper and be able to get behind the grill. So it comes with the STI badge, the LitLogo control box for it, and then a inline fuse that you will mount to the negative terminal and the positive terminal on the badge. So remove the front bumper. On the back of the logo, it has a adhesive tape and then two zip tie mounting brackets that are pre-mounted on the logo, if you can see. So what you want to do, get the spot where you want it, undo the adhesive, hold it on there for a minute, however long you feel like it, then get the zip tie it on there. Once that's done, you're good to go. Then it has a, if you can see up in there, it is a waterproof connector on the coming off the badge, and then the wiring from the LitLogo control box. Each side of the connector, they have an arrow. You have to make sure the arrows are connected with each other. If not, the badge will not be powered. Found that out the hard way. So once you have all that and you run the wire, I ran the wiring up through right past the AC condenser right here, right down here, and then mounted the LitLogo control box right there on the frame. They tell you to mount it away from water and heat. I haven't had any problems with it yet. So far, so good. The control box does have double-sided tape or adhesive mounted to it, but I use that. Plus, I wrapped a zip tie around it to secure it more. So, ran the wiring underneath the battery up through here, and then you will have all this extra wiring. What you're going to have to do, this inline fuse that they give you, it is tied together. So this wire and this wire are tied together. So you're going to have to snip both those and then connect the power terminal with the connector they give you to the one size fuse, and then coming out of the fuse, going to the power terminal. Then off the other side of their wire harness, I added a little my own clamp, or whatever you want to call it, fitting to secure it to the negative terminal. And then that's really it on how to install it. It's pretty simple. They give you everything you need to install it, and there will be a clip of the logo running, but I can't run it right now because I'm videotaping on my iPhone, and I have to open up a different app to run the program, or however you want to call it, to change the colors or the style you want. But they give you the app to download and everything like that. But if you have any questions or comments or ideas on different videos, this is a first time video. I will be uploading another video on the globe race too. So but that's really it. I appreciate you watching, and have a good one.